How to change your age in Epic Games. Let's get into it. So, changing the age in Epic Games is very simple. You just simply come over here onto the right hand corner over here, and you then just simply go into accounts over here. It's going to open up right here on another tab, like so. And over here, what you need to do is once you're over here, then what you need to do is you will have all these different options. Then I want you to go over here into parental controls. And over here, if this is your first time coming over here, you would need to set up a parental pin. But if you already set up, you have to enter it, of course. Create the pin. And then once it's done, scroll down and you will see the age over here. If it's over here on underrated, if the scale is on underrated, that means that it will not be triggered and you won't need to enter a pin to download any games. However, if it's, let's say, any game that requires 7+ ages, then of course you would need to enter a pin. So this is how you change the age in Epic Games.